Stable cylinder head deburring starts with fixture datum, tool contact, path repeatability, and chip control. A casting has many ribs and edges, so a small locating error can leave burrs or overgrind the surface. In the footage, the robot follows the edge area while the fixture keeps the cylinder head readable and fixed. EVST checks locating pins, abrasive tool life, force window, chip removal, and inspection rules together. A common mistake is approving one clean pass while ignoring batch wear, dust collection, and rework routing. A stable cell links fixture, robot path, contact pressure, cleaning access, inspection, and abnormal handling. This fits cylinder heads, housings, castings, machining edges, and repeated deburring stations. EVST can configure the robot, tool, fixture, dust control, and acceptance checklist around the real casting shape.